Just about anyone watching the news understands why being prepared for an emergency or disaster is more important than ever before. Here with some innovative ideas to keep you safe and ready is Skip BEDELL. Good morning, Skip.
Hey, good morning. Thanks for having me.
Thanks for being here with us. So tell everybody why preparation is so important for these unexpected emergencies. And I know you got some great stuff you want to show us as well.
I do, yeah. I'm a prepper, so I'm going to share some great things that I use in my prep kit. And we can see it in the news every day. You know, there's all sorts of natural disasters, weather events, everything you can think of is happening. So better to be prepared and keep your family safe. So the first 72 hours, Will, are the most critical time, 3 days after an event. You want to make sure you have all the essentials. So this is Uncharted 72 Pro. It's a waterproof backpack that has a sleeve inside of it. You take it out, color-coded instructions, very easy to find everything you need, everything from food, water, warmth, tools, all that for everything for two people to survive that critical time period. Even if you need a shelter, it has a tent, all the stuff that you need for a 72-hour survival period. And ReadyWise, this is my choice of food buckets. You got the freeze-dried food survival buckets. There's a lot of them out there. This is by far the best. I've done lots of research. Stackable buckets, 25-year shelf life. All you got to do is add water. Delicious food, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, everything from meat, fruit, vegetable, all your meals, even has non-GMO and organic options. So great thing to get ahead of inflation and food shortages. Keep a full stock of ReadyWise. And parcel safety. A lot of people have safety gear. They don't think about a respirator. Full face respirator, so important to keep in your home and your car. Keep the carbon filters can go on multiple places in the front, the sides. Even has a drinking port for your water. Really great to keep wherever it is in your home or you know, for fire, forest fires, get out of bad situations. You want to make sure your family is safe. And this is the #1 ingredient you need to have, because if you can't breathe, you can't get out of the situation, right? Well, so parcel safety, super important thing to keep. And medical pack, equally important. So in any sort of traumatic situation, car wreck, you're hiking, you're on a motorcycle, a boat, your car, whatever it might be, you want to make sure you have a full-on medical pack. This is My Medic. It's full paramedic professional gear. Right now they're running a special 25% off their top items, but they have things like, you know, professional medical shears, a tourniquet, chest seals, bleed stop, all the things that a paramedic would have, and it comes in lots of different options of carrying cases. So My Medic, the #1 choice in what I keep everywhere, my camper, my home, and my car. Great medical kit. And last but not least, track grabber. I love these. Will, listen, if you're in the snow, the sand, the mud, you're stuck, your wheels are spinning, you can't get out, you're in trouble. You don't want to rely on the help of someone else to push you out. So you can simply strap this on your wheel. It comes in a kit of 4. You can put it on all 4 wheels if you have 4-wheel drive. Put the Velcro strap on it, get back in the car, and use the power of the vehicle to get you out. Get unstuck with track grabber. This is a great thing to keep in your trunk.
All great, really great stuff. And that My Medic, actually, I have one of those My Medics, and they're really so nice. So, Skip, all great information. Thanks so much for being with us today.
Yeah, thanks for having me. Check out skipbedell.com. I have links for all these great products.
Absolutely. Now